Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have FOMC interest rate news for the dollar pairs, caused a pretty good amount of volatility on all of them. I was definitely thinking that this could go down and make a little bit of a bear trap today, but it definitely didn't. And according to Elliot wave patterns, I'm actually definitely leaning towards bullish. I think it's more likely at this point it probably is going to go up for an A, a B, and a C. Possibly could turn into a 1, a 2, and a 3, but probably more likely an ABC at this point. So, I kind of hard telling whether it's going to continue up tonight or whether it's going to actually drift down and make a bigger move down before it goes up. But it definitely looks like 5 ways up, and it definitely looks like 3 ways down to a Fibonacci level. So I would definitely lean towards up for either a wave C or a wave 3 at this point. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.